Wireless CarPlay Android Auto for Nissan Ariya is compatible 2021 to 2024. It also supports AirPlay mirror link and supports setting in the setup menu. The auto-made picture-in-picture function based on original in the menu, so you can always see and control original menu, home button, chairs, and AC temperature on the top of CarPlay menu. It's very convenient. When you play the music of CarPlay, please remember pair the Bluetooth between the car and the smartphone. This way, it allows the buttons on steering wheel control the music, adjust the volume up, volume down, next music, and last music. It's very convenient and offers a very good audio delivery to the car speaker as well. The item supports the camera button. When your car has a bird view camera, just press the camera button on CarPlay menu. It will show the cameras around the car, offer you safe driving and good assistance. When you connect the wireless CarPlay or Android Auto with smartphone, just pair the Bluetooth between the car and the smartphone, and it will connect Wi-Fi automatically. Enjoy your journey with wireless connection. Thanks for watching.